Red lights on. I don't see no red light. Oh. Oh, yeah. Hey, you're not getting out, just so you know. I said, just so you know, there's no way out right now.
Well, right now, see, it's at the front of their house.
Yeah.
When it gets just a little ways past that, all of a sudden everything flows and it'll be across the road.
Oh, so you've been here when it's happened?
Yes. And
okay, so when it gets to what, the bottom of this house or that one?
About the front end of that porch.
Yeah. Then the water all starts to flow that direction?
Yeah.
I just called. You might want to call Ken because I called him too. First I talked to him, but I didn't have any big long conversation. I didn't think about it, and I left him a text message right now. They need to open up the gate in the back because that's the only emergency exit that I can see.
Yeah, it is.
And the door's
that's the only way out.
The gate's locked.
I figured Maurice would have unlocked it when
He's
he
not
came
home.
through this morning.
He's not home. That's what I'd say. You might want to leave a message. I already did. But I think more the merrier because we're all in the same boat.
Yeah.
But hey, I appreciate it. What's your name?
Dwight.
Dwight? You want to share phone numbers?
Mine's an easy one. I don't have a cell phone. So
oh, you don't have a cell phone?
No, I've just got a house phone.
Oh, well then I'm better off just knocking on your door if I need to talk to you. Hey, take care.
You too.
Oh, see, it is already up to the cement there on the area.
Yeah, what it does, there's a high spot in there. And as soon as it gets above that high spot, it just flows this way.
Yeah. Now, do you think the drainage is all clogged up and that's the reason why we're filling up? Or just in general?
It's just
it's a normal
we're
thing.
The lowest point, everything from...
Yeah.
What's that road over there?
I have no idea, but I got your idea. So,
everything from there to past the bar down there
flows
into here.
So, where does the water go from here? That way towards the school?
Usually sits for about 3 days, and then it finally goes down.
It's going to be a miserable one. I'm gonna work on that right now. I'll find the key. I was talking to just so you know, there's only one way out of here. Well, actually for you, you could drive out. Wait, would you move? Yeah, I went to the high ground over there. Oh, you got the generator out?
No, he did.
Oh, it wasn't locked?
I unlocked it.
Oh, because I was just coming home to do it right now.
Yeah.
Woo!
Pressure washer?
Yes.
You said you could also move it.
Yeah, I said I'll pay him $40 because that cost me $300. Right?
Good idea.
Well, can you come outside and grab some of those propane tanks and put them in the back?
Back of what? Backyard?
Probably put them in the porch or something. I mean, the shed. Stick a couple of them in the shed. Cause are you gonna go out here and go dip down? Cause you know you're the only one that can carry them. When it comes time to set up the generator, you gonna come out to the water when it's waist high? I'm trying to do everything now as a preventive measure. You know? What's wrong? No, it's not locked. Woo.
My food's cooking.
Oh shit, where are they? Are they there?
What?
Oh, they are floating, huh?
Okay.
Oh, dude, we lost them.
No, they're underneath.
Oh.
Yeah, nothing's floating. I don't think so. Put them on the porch?
Yeah, I say put them on the porch.
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't mind them being over here. Well, where
The ones that are chained up are gone.
No, they're not. They're not chained up. There's no lock on that.
Yeah, but the chain's on it.
Oh, the chain's
They're
on
all
it.
together.
Yeah. I mean, I suppose.
Oh, look, we finally get rid of that fucking can that's been under there for fucking 2 years.
Yeah. Oh, no, throw it in the bucket. You can put it there for the wind's just gonna blow it back off.
Shut up. Swat waffle.
What waffle? All right, slide it to me and I'll pull it through.
Oh, yeah. Just gotta figure out. All right,
Where the chain is, yeah. Well, this is officially a venture for us.
Ah, crap. Hold on.
Yep. There you go. Got it. Oh, yeah. Much better than floating away.
Yeah. Oh, this one's empty. Leave it upside down so now it's empty.
Yep.
This one's hooked up.
Yep. Save the hooked
We're
up
gonna do that
one.
last and
Yes.
put it up here.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I think this is the first time I've gone barefoot since I was a kid.
Oh. Surprised you're barefoot.
Yeah, me too.
That's full.
Okay.
Or fuller. This one's empty. It's floating, so we'll get rid of this. Float away.
Yeah. Whew.
These are okay? Oh, no, they're starting to float.
Yeah, those are our main guns over there.
Yeah. loose.
There's already one car stuck in the road.
On this road?
Yep.
Oh.
Somebody tried to cut through to get to the gas station.
There's been a couple of vehicles come through, like the fire department came through a couple of times. And another car came through, stopped. So I waved to him, talking out the window to him. He's like, you all set? I'm like, yeah. You want me to walk you, come out there and guide you through? We're getting a ditch. He's like, no, we're going to turn around. We just came up to see if anybody needed help. Well, that's cool. Your neighbors fucking
Yeah.
looking up to your neighbors. So no, we're good. Everybody up here is good. Like, all right.
Well, one good thing about having propane.
It floats?
Uh,
Oh, that's getting empty.
yep.
I'm going to leave that chain on. Okay. Take it off.
There you go. Oh.
Heavy, long ass chain. All right.
Oh.
Everything down here.
Yeah, can you grab that squirt bottle thing and just stick it on there sideways?
What do you want?
Just stick it on the stairs. I mean, not the stairs, the table, sideways or something. Or in the ladder or something.
Yeah, no, it's got weight to it. It's not going to fly away.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. What do you think?
Ah, see, there was a floater.
Yeah. You got a runner.
Keep your...
I see fire department.
Oh,
Lights there, lights there.
yeah, that's because probably the car got stuck on the road. They don't belong here.
Oh, yeah. Look at it flooded over there. Is it flooded down
Yeah,
there, too?
there's no way out, dude, if you're driving a car.
Oh. I always thought that end was the high side.
It is, in the corner.
That's
That's where my car's parked, in the corner. I called up Kenny, but I didn't know it was completely blocked off. So I was like, hey, I called up Maurice. I go, Maurice, he's the guy that owns the house, not owns the house, rents the house on the other side of the fence.
Yeah.
I told him, I was like, hey, you need to, this is useless. The bucket right here. You can take this bucket out of here.
Well,
Useless.
it's going to float around. I don't want to be in the lake.
Oh, okay. I called up Maurice and I said, Maurice, you need to unlock that gate. That's the only emergency exit out of here.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way out.
True.
You can't go out that way and you can't go out this way. Not if you own a car.
So I can't get to work.
I was talking to a couple of ladies down there, and they're like, and I talked to the guy over here. He's one house over. He doesn't have a cell phone. He only has a house phone. He says he's been here where the water got up to the bottom of the house next door. This is when that happens, then the whole current starts to eventually start going that way.
Yeah.
So I was like, ooh, okay.
Crazy shit. Look at that truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive the truck out of here. It's the only way. It's the only way to get out of here right now.
I hope my plants make it. They were fucking tipped over.